here's how it looks like when it's dry, and I look like a freaking cornhead. Oh my gosh, I've never had a hair color like this. Yeah, the roots are still a bit dark, but I don't want the roots to be super light, so that's fine. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal, and today I am going to share with you guys how I got this hair color. This is an ashy blonde hair color, and this is exactly what I want since before. And I have been dyeing my hair for the past few weeks now. But before anything, I just want to let you guys know first the things that I did before I got this hair color. And I used to dye my hair ash blonde, but I never achieved this hair color for so many years because the last option for me is to bleach my hair, and that is why I tried so many different hair color brands that didn't give me the effect that I really wanted. So today I decided to bleach my hair, so I'm going to show you guys the products that I used. If you guys want to see my hair tutorial a couple of days ago, I actually used a hair color shampoo, and then I think only a couple of days ago I also colored my hair again. I actually did an update. Let me check now which one. Let me check which video, because I actually change my hair all the time and I don't know anymore what I did to my hair. So yeah, so I actually had, oh yeah, so 69 pesos platinum blonde hair, and that actually toned down the brassiness of my hair, but not a lot. But yeah, it didn't turn my hair into ash, which is normal because I didn't bleach my hair. So the next hair video that I did is about the purple shampoo to fix brassy hair. So this is a purple shampoo that I reviewed, and I don't know, I don't really know what to say. If you guys want to know how this purple shampoo from ABS worked for me, I'm going to put the link in the description box below. But to give you guys a background about my hair was really orangey and very, very brassy, and I really hated that. And my first goal is to just remove the brassiness of my hair and just to make my hair like ash. But yeah, I'm very happy and satisfied with how my hair turned out. Those two options didn't work for me, the hair color shampoo and the purple shampoo. Those didn't work for me. So last week I also colored my hair with this one. Oh my gosh, this hair color, I've never found anything like this. All I wanted was an ashy hair, and this color did it for me. So this is the Ashley Shine Bio Organic hair color in the shade 911 Intense Very Light Gray. So this is the shade, and oh my gosh, this hair dye, even without bleaching my hair 4 or 5 days ago, it made my hair like kind of ash. It definitely toned down the brassiness of my hair. It gave me the effect that I wish the purple shampoo gave my hair. The only reason why I bleached my hair again and dyed my hair again is because my hair still looks orangey in certain lightings. That's why I just decided to bleach my hair and then really color my hair, because I really want this to show up, because this color is amazing. Like, it's really gray. If you want like a silvery gray color, then go ahead and get this. As you can see, I bleached my hair and it didn't turn out like gray or anything. I think you need like to bleach your hair 2 times to achieve a gray hair color with this one. So this is the bleach that I use. It's from BREMOD. This is, I think, 265 pesos. It's super cheap, and it's actually a very big tub of hair bleach, which I don't really know what I'm going to do with this now because I'm done bleaching my hair. So this is not called a bleach. This one is called a hair brightener, and this was recommended to me because I don't know, like, it was the most expensive one, but someone told me there that this is like one of the best qualities that they have. They have the one in a small sachet, the blue bleach, and other couple of brands that are super affordable. I think you can buy bleach for only 35 pesos. But I got this one because it says here, hair remains soft, smooth, and healthy even after hair decoloration. That was really the purchase point for me. And yeah, so it says here, hair can be transformed into one color application without damage, prevents the hair to lose moisture, and restores the hair color. You guys know that hair bleach will really dry out your hair. So when I heard that, I was like, okay, I'm gonna get this. And then for the oxidizer, I used this one. I actually used 1.5, and yeah, this is by the brand Cause. This is how it looks like. These two are available from Hortaleza, and I got the 9% volume, and I was gonna get the 12%, but I was like, okay, I don't want my hair to dye, and the last thing I want is like super dead hair. So I chose 9% only, since my hair is like fairly light. It's not super light, but 12% might be too much for me. So I used that. I bleached my hair, and my hair looks super orange after bleaching it. This hair brightener, it really works so fast. I tried other bleach before, and it made my hair look like straight up orange, super brassy orange. This one turned my hair into like orangey yellow shade, which is really nice. And in a matter of like 5 minutes, I already saw that my hair is turning very light. So if you want something that will really take a quick effect, then this is really nice, because I did everything alone. So it took me a bit longer than if I went to a salon to apply the bleach on my hair. So I noticed that the sides, the first area that I was bleaching, turned really light already, while the rest I'm still applying the bleach. So I thought this might sit on my hair too long and it might dry my hair so much. When I finished the rest of my hair, I went ahead and rinsed this already. I started with this side. So I rinsed it with water and a little bit of shampoo, only this part where I started, because when you finish your entire head with bleach, you need to wait for 45 minutes more. And this can't wait that longer anymore, because it was already waiting while I was applying the bleach for the rest of my hair. So I did that, and I noticed like my hair got a bit brittle, and then like some of my hair would break. But I'm very surprised that after that, after I rinsed off the bleach, it wasn't that dry. I used a conditioner, and then after everything I used a hair mask, which I'm gonna show you guys in a while. But yeah, my hair didn't break or anything. Yeah, I did a bleach for 45 minutes, not any longer, because like I said, I don't want my hair to dry. And after bleaching my hair, I air dried it, sat down in front of an electric fan, and then I just let it dry naturally. And after that, I directly went ahead and colored my hair with the Ashley Shine hair color. So again, this is the shade 911. This hair color is super cheap. Like, it's just one of the most affordable hair colors that you can find. I got this one from Shopee, and I also got the Partner Oxidant Cream for that by Ashley Shine as well. And this is it was very easy because it's 1:1, and I just use one bottle of this and one bottle of the hair dye. This combination is actually so good. I don't know how this hair color will work on other brands, like if I use this other brand of oxidizer cream. I don't know if it's going to give me the same effect, but I am so impressed with how this turned out. I actually can't see myself right now, but I hope you can see. But my hair is really ash right now, and I'm very proud of myself. I mean, it took me like 5 hours to do the whole hair coloring process. I mean, it's tiring, but at least I'm in the comfort of my own house. And I was able to eat, have snacks, and then take a break. And it's actually easy. I forgot to mention that I rinsed the bleach with this Ashley Shine color shampoo, and this is a silvery ash. This actually didn't work. Yeah, it didn't do anything for my hair. I thought I don't have to use a hair color. I can just go ahead and use this, I thought. but it didn't work. I bleached my hair and my hair still looked the same. If you can see my video of my after bleach hair, I used this to rinse off the bleach, and as you can see, it's still very orange. But I am just so in love with my hair right now. This is exactly the color that I've been wanting for so many years, and I can imagine with makeup this will look so nice. The great thing about this Ashley Shine is that the formula is not that strong. Like, it didn't really sting my scalp too much. I tried Revlon, I tried L'Oreal, and those really sting my scalp so bad. But this one is not that painful on the scalp. Great thing about this is that it feels very moisturizing. It almost feels like a shampoo when you apply it. What I actually did to get this color even is I would apply a lot, and then I would like do this, like kind of like rub my hands together just to make sure that like each and every hair strand is coated with the hair color. By the way, I actually used 2 of this and then 2 of this, and actually for the second round of the mixture I used only the half. I just wanted to make sure that I use a lot for my hair, and let me tell you guys, I bought like 7 of this. So you always need a backup if ever, you know, the first mixture runs out. I got 6 backups because if ever I'm going to retouch my hair, if ever the color starts to fade, if it's going to fade, at least I have a backup. But yeah, I used 1.5 of this. Like I said, for the second mixture I only used half of it and I threw the rest. So yeah, this is how I achieved this hair color. And to prevent my hair from drying, so after rinsing that, I used the Palmolive shampoo, and then this is the hair cream that I used for my hair. So this is actually a hair cream conditioner, and this is by the brand Khaleesi, and I don't really know where you can get this because I got this when I went to Bulacan from DV Mall. Their malls in Bulacan have so many beauty products. This is the Morocco Argan Oil Keratin Collagen Fortifying Hair Care Cream, and it works so well. My hair didn't dry up, and yeah, I can't really see a damage on my hair. I can just see the ends of my hair ever so slightly dry. I really honestly thought that the bleach will kill my hair, but it actually didn't. It still looks healthy. But I think this really helped a lot when it comes to saving my hair from drying up. So that is how I achieved my ash blonde hair. So if you guys have any questions, any suggestions, then please leave it in the comments down below. And so yeah, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so you know when I upload. And I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!